Okay, a recording is started, and let's see what we are going to do. So we'll follow the same thing of that day, but today I need to give you all permission to create large EC2. Okay, that day it was because of um, smaller EC2. So let me go to IAM. Suyal, right? Yes. IAM. Suyal. Oh, in which group you are in? This group. Let me go and check the permissions. Let me go to the policy. Let me edit the policy. Okay, so over here, instead of T3 micro, I'll give it T3 large. Okay, EC2 star. Okay, T3 large. Okay, so let me not need ECR, and I'll just say next, save changes. Okay, so now you all can create T3 large. But now what we are going to do today, okay? Who has come in? Hello, Anup. Hello, Anup. Please log in, okay? Log into AWS very quickly.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please log into AWS very quickly. Okay. So today, what I'll show you all is, okay, what I found, okay, because we have to present this. Okay. Now, what you all need to do is, I'll be sending a document, okay, for each and every of these commands which are not commented. Okay, for each and every of this command, okay, you need to write the command. Just below that, you need to write what this command is doing. Okay. Okay. In your document, okay, for the project work. Okay, so you need to write what these two lines are doing. You need to write the command first and what it is doing, what this is doing, what this is doing. Okay, so some commands I found, okay, we can use user data. Okay, so you all know user data, correct? So we can say execute most of the commands by using user data. Okay, up to here, okay, we can do by using user data. Okay, so I'll send it to you all. Copy. Copy. Okay, I'll send it in the chat. Okay. Okay, so it should be first copy to a notepad. Okay, copy to a notepad. Okay, so that like it's exactly same as this. Okay, so just Control A from the notepad, copy. Okay, now we'll go and create an EC2. Okay, so go to EC2. Okay, everybody go to EC2. Your region should be US East 1. Okay, United States North Virginia. Just say launch instances. Okay, give your name. Just say dash master. Just say your name dash master. Choose Red Hat. Okay, choose Red Hat. You can choose other Linux, but let's choose Red Hat. Okay, they want in Red Hat. Okay, and your EC2 here instance type, choose T3 large. T3 dot large. Okay, so I've given the permission to choose T3 large. And key pair, I think you have your key pair, right? You can use the same key pair, that day's key pair. Okay, if you don't have, say create new key pair. Okay, after that, in the network settings, don't do anything. In the existing security group, choose default. Okay, I've already created the default security group. Okay, and in the config storage, put 20 GB. Okay, we'll just create a small EC2. It's enough for running up to 2 to 3 deployments of say 2 or 3 replicas. Okay, after that, go to advanced detail. You all know user data, right? So you have to document these steps. Okay, so what each command is doing, that day I explained to you. Okay, and you can remove this these ones, okay, in your document. Okay, so you can remove these in your documents. Okay, so up to here, okay, up to installation of kubelet, okay, kubeadm and kubectl, and then sending your IP address to the say etc host file. Okay, you can do it by using your this user data. Okay, up to here clear? Everybody done? Suyam, Rituraj,
Yes, sir.
Rituraj, done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Anu, or you are just watching? If you
I
want to just watch it,
will
okay, you'll do
to
later,
keep
right?
login detail. त मलाई लगइन डिटेल पनि सेयर भएको छैन, त्यही भएर पनि मैले
Oh, okay. So, but then later mo share गर्छु, you follow the steps. Okay. So, just
हुन्छ
launch,
सर.
yeah, launch instance. Okay. Okay. Go to your instances, and you will see your instance is running. This is my instance here. Okay. So you got the IP address. Okay. You got the IP address. Okay. Let me see all the EC2 instances.
So it's saying instance launch failed, like not authorized.
T3 large. You have been T2 large.
Same, sir. Same problem.
Yep, sir.
T3 large, is it? Wait, oh, let me check one more time. Wait, oh, I did not save the changes. Okay, can you, there is retry option, right? Is there retry option?
Yes, sir. It's correct
Yeah.
now.
Now corrected? Rituraj, corrected? Okay. So once your EC2 is running, let me see. Yeah. So Rituraj is pending. Suyal is running. So take your IP address and connect to your EC2 by using your PM file. So I don't have to tell that again. Okay. You all know where is your PM file. Okay. As EC2 user, connect. Okay. Use your PM file to connect. And then switch to root. Sudo su dash. Okay. So after that, what we need to do, wait, yeah. So after that, we log in, and first, after logging in, okay, just check which kubectl, just to check kubectl is installed or not. Okay, so it is installed. You can see which kubectl will be there. Now, what we need to do another is, we need to execute these commands. Okay, now number 13. Okay, copy. I'm sending it to you. You can just copy paste all together. Okay, just note down this this one also. Okay, this the message, the step that I'm sending, this should be manual. Okay, yeah, this command we have to execute manually. Okay, paste. Okay, as root user. Okay, after switching to root. Okay, just say clear now, and over here I'm sending a command. Okay, later I'll send this document. Okay, not to worry. Actually, last time we have up to here done, up to this step. So yeah, Rituraj,
Yes, sir.
Rituraj, done. Are you able to connect or now, Rituraj?
No, sorry. Oh, wait.
You
Yes,
are
sir,
not able to.
connected.
Okay,
Connected.
then execute this command that I send you, and after this we need to execute. Wait, yeah, this command. Okay, it's one line, and try to check whether it runs or not. Okay, most probably it will give error. Okay, Suyal, see, it will give error. Okay, so for this reason, okay, after this last two steps, the last three commands, okay, after these three commands, these commands, okay, we need to this is one command, and this is another command, and this is another. These three commands we need to reboot the server. So for rebooting the server, go to your AWS. Okay, select your EC2. Okay, and then say stop instance. Stop instance. Okay, let it stop first. Stop. Now say start. Start your EC2. It will give new IP. Okay, so you'll be seeing new IP. Okay, take the IP and connect again. Okay, okay, give you a new IP. Okay, and then connect. Okay, say yes. Okay, and then switch to root. We already have here. Okay, after switching to root, execute that kubeadm command now. Okay, execute this command now. Okay, execute this command, kubeadm command. Okay, so now it will run. Okay, so earlier it had failed because it requires reboot. Take note. Once you say that before executing kube init, we have to reboot the server. Okay. Okay. Now it is done. Okay. We are root user. Okay. So to use kubectl now, the first thing we need to use, okay, see, we have to use this command at any cost. Okay. We have to use this command at any cost to run kubectl. Okay. And this command, you need to always use it. Okay. So we have to make this executable when you log in as root. Okay. So just copy and paste it first. Okay. Now just say kubectl get nodes. Okay. See, master node is there. Okay. Control plane is not yet ready. After some time, it will be ready. Now, if you want to see what are the pods running, get pods minus capital A. Capital A means so all the pods that are running. Make sense? Okay. So these are the pods that are running. Okay. Now we need to fix the networking. Okay. We need to fix the networking. So for that, go to use this command. Okay. Copy. Okay. I'm sending it to you. Sorry. Okay, use this command, okay, to install the networking related, say, information packages. What networking requires for your Kubernetes environment, it will install that. Okay. Okay. Now your networking is created. Okay. Now you need to explain this. Okay. You need to find out what is this in your what's that called, in your ChatGPT or Google, and write something about this. What does this do? Okay. Now kubectl get nodes minus get nodes. See, now your kube master is ready. Now your control plane is ready. Okay. Everybody getting this or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rituraj.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now our master is ready now. Okay. So now we'll create your worker node. Okay. We'll create one worker node. Okay. Steps are same. Okay. We just need to this one. Okay. This one. So it's very easy for your what do you call worker node. Okay, everything is same except that you make this as cube worker 01. Okay, anything you want, but any name you want. Cube worker 01, cube worker 01. Okay, so copy this worker 01. Okay, and put it here. Where did it go? Worker 01, where is it? Sorry, here. Okay, replace it. Okay, worker 01. Okay, so everything remains same. There is no change. Okay, only the worker name, host name will change. Okay, actually this one can be removed. Okay, so now everything. Okay, copy. Okay, just change the cube master to cube worker 01, or whichever name you want. Okay, 2 places to change. Now create another large EC2. Okay, go to your AWS and then say launch instance. Okay, so just give your name as worker 01. Okay, worker 01. Okay, it will be Red Hat. Okay, Red Hat, come down and T3 large, T3.larg large, T3 large, T3 large, T3 large. Okay, key pair, use your key pair, Q8. Okay, use your key pair, come down, and then security group default. Okay, and then you make it 20 GB. Okay, and then go to advanced details and paste your user data. Okay, paste to user data here. So everything should be okay. Q worker 01, okay, and say launch instance. Now for worker node, it's very easy. Okay, for worker node, it's very easy. What happened? I was pushed out or what? Yeah. My worker node did not create. It just pushed me out. Wait, yeah. So let me recreate my worker node. Okay. So C dash worker 01. Okay. Red Hat. Who is that? Who's come? Samir. Hello, Samir. Samir, you are very late. Okay. We are already creating the worker node. Samir,
So okay, sir. Okay, sir. My
you
current
see, and I'll send you the information. You'll have to document. Okay.
okay, sir.
Intensive certificate and experience certificate you have to document. Okay, 20 CV. Now and then I'll go to advanced detail, and then I'll copy paste here. Also launch instance. Okay. Now Suyal and Rituraj, connect to your new EC2 instance. Take your IP address. Okay. Take your IP address and connect to the new EC2 instance. Okay. So you can create new window or from where, however you like. Okay. You can connect to the new wait, I'll connect from here itself, no problem. Okay. You need to connect to worker node only once. After that, no need. Okay. Wait, okay. So connect to your new EC2 instance. Okay. Just say yes. Okay, in the worker node. Now sudo su dash. Oh, sorry. We still need to be in master node. Wait, but maybe we have. Sorry, it did not connect. Why? Was this not my public key? Oh, I did not select my public key. Is it? I selected. Oh, I use Suyal's. Surya worker 01. Sushi worker 01. I was using Suyal's IP address. Sorry. Okay. So this is my IP address. Okay. Say yes. Okay. Sudo su dash. Okay. So you can just scroll up. Okay. Whether if it is lost, then just this one. You can copy up to here. This one. Do you have this there or not? Or it's already gone? Can you all see or not? Kubeadm join command. Suyam, can see or it's gone?
I'm trying to search it, sir.
No, okay. Let's do it like this. Don't worry. Go to the master node then. Just exit and go to the master node. Okay. Go to the master node. I'll show you how to generate. Okay. Go to your master node. This is my master node. Yeah, this is my master node. Switch to root. Okay. And I'll send you a command. Okay. And you will need to document this command also. Okay, what does it do? Okay, so the command is this, the command. Okay, I'm not telling about the command. Okay, but you all need to document what it does. Okay, so paste this command in your worker node after, as root user. Okay, before that you need to do your export command also. Okay, the export command. Where did our export command go? We had done export, right? Export command. So let me send you the export command first. Copy. Okay, so this is you need to use the export command first. Paste. Okay, use this command first. Okay, and let me send you in here. Okay, so this is the export command. Okay, and after that you can use your this kubeadm token create command. After that, in master node, take note, in master node. Okay, paste this and you will see this command. Okay, copy this command and keep it. Okay, so you have to write something on kubeadm token create also. Okay, after this, now exit and go to your worker node. Okay, now go to your worker node. Okay, see, this is your worker node. You can see worker 01, switch to root. Okay, after switching to root, copy paste this command. I already have paste. Okay, wait, what did it say? Oh, okay. So what happened is we did not execute those these commands. Okay, sorry, we need to execute these commands also. Sorry, up to here. Okay, up to here, these 3 commands that I sent earlier. Okay, you need to execute here also. Okay, I think if you only reboot also it will work, but execute them. Okay, in your queue master, queue worker node 01. Okay, you know these commands. I already gave you the 3 commands. Okay, now reboot your server. Okay, so reboot your server, go to EC2. Okay, and then reboot your worker node. Okay, so to the worker node, just say, okay, stop. Okay, okay, just go to your worker node and then say stop. Okay, and start. After stopping, start. Okay, it's stopping.
So instead of stopping and then starting, can we just directly reboot?
You can say reboot also. Normally, like if you do from console is better, you can do shutdown -R now also. Okay, it's one and the same thing, but try to do in this way. Okay, because sometimes I saw some flaws. Now just say start again. Okay, so once it is up, take the IP address. See, it's already up. Take the IP address and connect to it now after this. Okay, new IP address. Okay, yes, because it's new IP address. You have to say, it will ask you, go to root and then execute that command. We did it. Sorry, it's here, this command. Okay, that command, execute again. Okay, see, now it will work. So you need to reboot. Okay, now once it says this much, okay, okay, so it says like it has joined the cluster. Okay, then everything is gone, now finished in worker node. Now you no need to go back to worker node. Okay, So once it says this, come out. Okay, come out and go to master node. Okay, go to the master node. Okay, sudo su dash and then say kubectl. Okay, get nodes minus a. Okay, sorry, you need to do the export first. This one, this command. Okay, it's already there. Okay, so you can just do up arrow. Okay, and then say kubectl get nodes minus a. See, your worker node is also now ready. Can see both are ready now. Now we will just do one deployment. Okay, and one service. Okay, we'll create one deployment and one service. Okay, make sense? Okay, so now to make the deployment, okay, what we'll do is we'll deploy Nginx server. Okay, Nginx server. Or what do you want to do? You want to do one whole website or only one? No, let's not do whole website. Okay, or do you want to deploy Jenkins server?
Can we like deploy a static website, like not whole website, but just a static
Yeah,
website?
yeah, we can do a static website. So for that, we need to find a static website. Okay, so how to do that? Now, first, okay, no, let's not do that. Okay, now, so let's first, okay, try to say create one deployment. Okay, so let me just go to the protected text. Okay, protected text. Okay,
So either deploying a service like Nginx or website, the process is same, right, sir? Like for a
same.
website
Process,
also.
process is same. Your image must contain the website. Okay, your image must contain the website. So in our case, we'll say create a small small website. Okay, with Nginx as the your deployment. Okay, so here I'll send you the command replicas 2 and then we'll do Nginx latest image. Okay, I'm sending this to you all. Sorry. Yes. Okay, copy. Indent should be correct, huh? Because I don't know in the message if I send indent will be correct or not. Okay, I think it will be correct. Just copy and paste in Notepad first. Okay, and then go to your master node. Okay, so just pwd, you are in root. So let's do it in root itself. But later on, you need to do in your own file system. Okay, so let's say vi nginx does deploy dev01. Okay, dev01. Okay, or you want to create namespace? No need namespace now. Okay, escape I and paste it. Okay, paste it. Okay, so there is a namespace dev. Okay, so let's create a namespace also after this. So our deployment name is dev nginx, and the labels, okay, are nginx. Okay, and our ports will also have nginx and type nginx to say two labels, okay, in the pod, and our matching labels is nginx. So we already know this. So let's go and first create namespace. Just say kubectl, okay, create namespace. The namespace was dev namespace dev. Okay, just create the namespace called dev. Okay, so nginx, sorry, actually, sorry, this is not nginx dev01. Okay, This is actually copy, paste MB as nginx.yml. Nginx or anything, any name, okay? YAML. Okay. Actually, it should be nginx, any file name dot YAML, YAML as the extension. Okay. Now you know how to create kubectl create -f nginx.yaml. Okay. Okay. Now see the pods, kubectl get pods -n in which deployment Dave. So how many pods should be there? 2 pods, right? 2 replicas. See, they are already running. Okay, they are already running. Now, after they are running, okay, so what we'll do is now we will what we'll do now is we will create a service. Okay, because the way to connect is by using a service. And in cubes, in Minikube, we had to do tunneling. Okay, here no need to do tunneling. Okay, it's directly because we are working on a very real Kubernetes cluster now. Okay, so these two are running where? Can you all tell me where is it running? Understand? Where?
In master node.
What master node? Worker node. Let us see. I already told you, right? -O equals to Y. Your pods run where? Worker node. Suyal. Okay. See, it's working in worker 01. Master node will never have any pods on it. Remember, control plane means you have nothing in it except the architecture, except your API server, except your etcd, except your scheduler, except your controller. Everything is in your pods will always be running in worker node. Make sense? Okay. Always workloads means what? Your pods will always be running in worker node. If you had 2 worker nodes, then one would have been one worker node and the other would have been in another worker node. Okay, so don't forget, not in the master node. We write in the master node. We are in the master node. Okay, we are creating in the master node, or it can be any client, but it is being created where? In the worker node. Make sense? Okay, now let's create a service. Okay, I'll send you the for creating the service. Service. Where did the service go? Here. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, this one. Okay, so we'll make it in port 30080. Okay, this is, no need to give this one here. Let me port 30080, port 8080, target port, port 80, target port is 80. Is it 80 or 8080? Okay, so your selector will be Nginx. Okay, I think it's Nginx. We'll check it. Okay, no problem. Name is sushi service, and you have to give the name space also. And name space was Dave. Okay, so service name, let's give Nginx service. Nginx dash service. Okay. So I'll send it to you. Copy. Okay, and then in here. Okay, so now create a new YAML file. Okay, vi. Okay, nginx srv.yaml. Okay, so for nginx, okay, and paste it here. Okay, and then close it. Nginx is on port 8080, is it? Let's try to find out. Okay, Google Nginx default port. Oh, yeah, port 80, correct. We are using port 8080 of our local, and then port 80 of the yeah. If you do cat nginx srb.yaml, okay, so we are using port 80 of the target port. This is the pod's port number. Okay, this is your like host port number. Okay, so 30080 port number is also node port number. This is the node port number. Okay, so let us see our cat nginx. Let's see what is the yeah, it's nginx, app nginx. Okay, here app nginx is correct. Okay, now create it. kubectl create -f nginx srb.yaml. Okay, so once it is created, okay, go to your EC2 and take your worker nodes IP address. Take note, you need to take your worker nodes IP address. Okay, go to your worker node, take your worker nodes IP address. Okay, and go down here and choose which port you need to choose. 30080. See? Okay, fine, everybody. So now what have we done? We have created a Kubernetes cluster, and in that cluster, okay, we deployed one Nginx deployment, and we created a service on port number 30080, node port service. Okay, and now we are able to connect to the Nginx. Okay, so we'll end here today. In the next class, okay, we'll continue with the same EC2, okay, and we will do other HPA, your Helm chart, and all these we'll do in the same in the next class. Okay, I'll let you know the next class. Okay, so now can you up to here clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Mr.
I have a
Das?
question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So, can I speak in Nepali, sir?
Yes.
सो
Please.
हामीले चाहिँ अब यो डेभलपरहरूले चाहिँ ब्याकएन्ड सबै सकाए, फुल स्ट्याकहरूले सबै सकाएपछि चाहिँ त्यो उनीहरूले एउटा त्यो होल वेबसाइटलाई चाहिँ एउटा डकरमा हालेर इमेज गरेर दिन्छ, अनि त्यो इमेजलाई चाहिँ हामीले यसरी लाइक त्यो अहिले चाहिँ हामीले एनजिनेक्सको गरेको छ, अनि उनीहरूको चाहिँ इमेज लिएर हामीले यसरी गर्नुपर्ने हो, वर्कर नोडमा हाल्नुपर्ने हो.
Correct. I will show you. Okay, what I do. Okay, what I do is, okay, if I show you, okay, so I have my here. Okay. So I do my development here. Okay, GNC is one of our client. Okay, so I have my if we do ls minus ltr, okay, I have admin. Okay, so if I go to now if I see here cat docker file, okay, actually this is the code written by the developer. Okay, and I will pull this code from the GitHub. Okay, and I'll copy this code inside my Docker image. Okay, and I'll do the compile and everything inside the Docker image, and I will build this Docker image. After building, I will tag it and I'll push it to the Docker Hub, and this is used in the Kubernetes deployment to run that college website. Okay, so in the next class, okay, we'll be working on these EC2 instances only. Okay, in the next class. Okay, now what you all need to do is, Suyal, do I answer you? You are right. They will actually, when we will do this automation in Jenkins. So what Jenkins will do is what do you call, developer will only update the Docker file and the application. Okay, application code and the Docker file, and this will go to the your GitHub, and now Jenkins will pull, okay, and then create the Docker image, push to the Docker hub, and after that it will deploy in the Kubernetes cluster. So we'll be doing all that steps in Jenkins, and you have to document that also. They need Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, all these integrated, these three things integrated. Okay, they want
So mostly-
SPA also to be integrated. Yes, go ahead.
So mostly also like यो अर्को वेबसाइटहरू होइन, यो सबै वेबसाइटहरू चाहिँ यसरी नै क्युबरनेटिसबाट वर्क नोट्समा हालेर यसरी लाइक डकराइज
Yes.
गरेर अनि यसरी डिप्लोय गरेको
Yes,
क्युबरनेटिसबाट.
yes, yes.
Oh,
And
sir.
yeah, why is that? Because high availability, okay, highly scalable. Your Docker will never go down. Your website will never go down. Okay, if you do in this way, because you remember in deployment, unless your new pod is created successfully, it will not remove the old pod. Correct? Correct. So even if your image is wrong, okay, your deployment will never go down. Your website will never go down. Okay, we'll see in the upcoming classes. Okay, now what I want you all to do is, okay, this is kind request, go to EC2, okay, and I will stop them all. Okay, just a moment. Okay, no, I will not do. You all stop your EC2, your own EC2. Okay, search your own EC2. Okay, stop them. Don't what we call don't what's that called? Don't terminate. Just stop. Okay, select your EC2. Okay, and say stop. Instance stop. Okay. Don't terminate because you'll be working on the same. Just say stop.
So do we need this
Everybody-
for the next class as well?
Yes. Now this will be required unless you complete the project. Okay, the project work, there is so many things involved. Okay, I'm doing the Terraform related, and it's very painful. I'll share you the document, but it's very painful. Okay, so Docker and Kubernetes and Jenkins is quite easier. Okay, so have you all stopped your EC2?
Yep, sir.
Yeah. After that, can you all go to action, instance settings? Okay, just select one of the EC2. Can you all select one of the EC2? Go to the instance actions, instance and instance settings and instance type. Are you able to go there or no? No access, or it gives you access? Oh, it will give you access.
I don't think so, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I
So
it gives-
over there, yeah. Actually, I think it will be charged only when it is running. No problem, leave it. Okay, I will check. If you need to change, I will change. Just stop your EC2 instances. That's all. Okay, let me check. This Suyal, your master is still running. So stop. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Okay. So we are we are able to create one Kubernetes cluster. Okay, in RHEL 10. Okay, Red Hat 10. So this is all today. In the next, I'll tell you about the next class. In the next class, everything will be related to project. Okay, upcoming. Okay, everything. It's actually real life project. Okay, I had a very hard time to get it up and running. Okay, so I gave you the steps, and I'll send you those steps, and you have to document each and every line. Okay, I'll send you the document. So any question now?
Sir,
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, go ahead.